Live from Dubai, such a beautiful morning. The sun is up and the colors are vibrant, and the birds and the trees are singing, and so is my heart. And it goes something like, I've got shoes under my feet, I'm so lucky. I got friends and family, I'm so blessed. I've got air in my lungs, I'm so lucky. I've got light in my eyes, I'm so lucky.
Coffee is so embedded into the culture that nothing starts or ends without it.
كوفي قهوة
بسم الله good الحمد لله. This coffee is giving. Strong body, nice, chocolatey, strong taste, just how I like it.